Welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. According to Loop News, United States Ambassador to Jamaica Donald Tapia in a tweet on Monday afternoon stated that the United States Embassy in Jamaica has not, and I repeat, has not revoked the visas of any member of any political party within the island. Rumors have been swirling that powerful political people in Jamaica were going to be losing their U.S. visas, and he took to Twitter to let the world know that those are just rumors. Several social media bloggers have been peddling rumors since Monday morning that the visa of a prominent Jamaica Labour Party candidate had been revoked. But Tapia, through his Twitter account, and remember, he is the U.S. ambassador to Jamaica, okay? So he would know. He put out a tweet to put the matter to rest. The tweet said exactly this: contrary to false rumors being shared via social media, during the current Jamaican election period, the U.S. Embassy has not revoked visas of any member of any political party, end quote. Now, we remember that last year, Daryl Vaz and his wife, Anne Marie, both JLP members of parliament, lost their U.S. visas along with Philip Paulwell, who was the vice president of the opposition People's National Party, or the PNP, had lost his visa as well. Not only them, at that same time, it was said that a number of police personnel, higher ranking, and a few prominent business people in Jamaica had also lost their U.S. visas. If you missed those videos, then those were about what was going on with them losing their visas, and it all was rooted in corruption or assumed corruption, which we are still waiting to see what the end result will be. Some of them had said they will be appealing. The embassy had responded and said there was no room to appeal because the option simply is not available. They issue a visa and they have the right to also revoke a visa when they feel like it without an explanation as to why. There is no appeal process. So with that said, the truth of the matter, so if you hear it out there, rumors, people are saying, because, you know, it's election time and people are talking. So people are saying, yo, you know, say, America just take away the MP visa. Yeah, man, call them Monday in a big corruption and thing. You know how we are as Jamaican people. I've seen it in the culture to be something that has become the norm now, where they take stories and they sensationalize the stories and they twist the story because it is more entertaining, I guess. But the truth of the matter, according to the United States Ambassador to Jamaica, Donald Tapia, is that no visas have been revoked from any member of any political party in Jamaica this year. All right. And that's the truth. Now, with that said, it's a short video. Leave your comments in the comment section below. What I really want to ask you is, are you voting this year in the Jamaica election? And if you are, then who are you going to be voting for? Are you going to be voting for JLP? Are you going to be voting for PNP? Or are you not going to be voting at all? I would also like for you to state the reason why you are voting for who you are voting for, with facts. Who has the best policies? Who has done more for the people? And I want you to list the proofs in the comment section below. I noticed that around election time in Jamaica, most Jamaicans, whether they are at home or abroad, are of the mindset that they just love a political party because that's what their grandmother was and that's what their mom was and that's what their whole family is. But majority of them never vote based on what is before them, the policies, what the person stands for, and most importantly, track record. has this person been able to produce? Have they been able to fulfill their obligations that they were elected to do? These kind of things. So leave your comments in the comment section below. Let's talk about it. It's SouFLoTV. And again, the U.S. ambassador says that no visas of any political party members in Jamaica has been revoked. So put that rumor to rest. I'm out. Peace.